ay. Ay, por favor. Pero...
So former X Factor winners Little Mix have become the latest stars to make a statement. A feminist statement of empowerment. Feminist.
Bitch! Alright! If you know me, you don't have to like this girl. They're untouched right now.
It's laid. I'm so happy that these girls exist.
Yeah.
Talk about loving your body, jiggle all this weight like that. Oh my god, it makes me feel so happy. I love that message. That's gonna have a really positive impact on young girls everywhere, right?
The only person that was outraged was Piers Morgan. Are you shocked by him being outraged?
Language, Jesse.
Some viewers slam the ladies, comparing their outfits to strippers.
No, but...
Little Mix's outfits doing nothing for the feminist movement there.
No.
Like, I don't have anything bad or negative to say.
It's about empowerment.
Yeah, and then
Owning your body.
with me here.
Consistently objective.
It's about wearing.
Clearly looks fabulous.
Let's take a moment of silence. Let's be strong, powerful, beautiful goddesses.
That's my girl. That's why we stand. Absolutely talented, gorgeous, fierce, hot ass bitches.
It's so magnificent. It's so refreshing to see artists doing the damn thing. And we're just, it's women. Ariana, Little Mix, Beyonce, Gaga.
Little Mix, I think you need to make a public apology. If you've got the balls, come on this program and say it to my face.
Come and say it to my face.
Like nothing, sick like nothing, but protect your mind and drop it up. Tell me crazy, shady, spit me on that hot wasabi. Lick me up, I'm sweet and salty, mix it up and down my body. Love, tell me crazy, shady, either way you talk about me. I love the way you talk about me. Look at how far it got me. The shit the papers write about me. I'm holding up the door and got me. The shit you wearing no clothes. What you gonna say? What you see, hope like you.